you have a really, really important role. You know that I have school-age children,
Yes.
and we've talked over time how important it is that we're a community resource. So how do you view yourself personally in what we're trying to accomplish here?
I view myself as an advocate for mental health, an advocate for our community. The PALS Thrive program is a program that provides free mental health services in our schools. So currently we're in 8 Alachua County schools offering free mental health services. A lot of people do not know this is a resource that UF Health Shands provides.
Right. Now, how do you think we convey that message differently? Because it's important for us to make sure that children know that there's an avenue. And as much as we think we're a community organization, right, there still are pockets where it may seem not accessible or not available. How do we convey that message differently, do you think?
I think that we just need to go out there and let people know that mental health is health. There's a lot of stigma around mental health, but we need to be there for our children in our community and just go out there and let people know that this resource is available. So,
And do you feel connected to the UF Health family?
I do feel connected. So I'm off-site. As I said, I work at the UF Health Shands Psychiatric Hospital off of 39th Avenue. But we have our own little subculture over there. When I come to the big campus, I feel like I'm part of something bigger. So a lot of times I forget how big our organization is because I am off-site. But I walk through the doors and I feel a sense of pride being part of the bigger picture. I enjoy just talking with my colleagues, seeing their smiles. We are a very close-knit family over there, and everybody is happy to be there. We do a lot of employee engagement events, so I head up Fantastic Fridays, where we usually do a fun event at every last Friday of the month. So our staff really enjoys that, and it just helps with the unity and connectedness.
When you think about your time here so far, you must have been able to see a lot and impact a lot of different things. Is there something that strikes you as memorable that you would want me to know?
I've started here about 6 years ago. I've always been in the psych arena. I started as an office rep over at the Department of Psychiatry when they were at Med Plaza before Spring Hill 1 and Spring Hill 2 popped up. So it's cool just to see the growth in the short time that I've been here. But one thing I'd like to let you know is just how important the PALS Thrive program is, and I really appreciate the support that the organization is putting behind that program.
Great. And I'm glad you reflected on when you started and where you started. Do you get a sense that there's some strength and pride in your own career development and others' career development, that in 20, 30 years we can all see ourselves progress differently?
Yes, I've seen several of my colleagues grow and go to different areas within the organization. I myself have grown. One of the neat things on the bridge, I don't know if a lot of people know this, but on the self-management, you can actually see your history. So it's every year it's an advancement for me. So it's kind of neat to see and have it catalog for me to reflect on.
And do you have any particular opinions that you hear from others that tell you about UF Health and tell you about Shands that you think are things that all of our employees would want to hear?
Yeah, I think a lot of the people that work here are like me and have a sense of pride working at UF Health and seeing how we are treating our community members, and people are entrusting their loved ones and family members to receive care here. So just the pride that you feel and knowing that you're doing something good in this world and giving back.